In need of locksmith services in Odenton, Maryland? Look no further than King Locksmiths for quick solutions to any emergency. Our expert locksmith services ensure top quality work and maximum security for businesses and homes. With our mobile service, we're always ready to assist with residential, commercial, and emergency locksmith needs. Benefits of choosing King Locksmiths. Experienced technicians. Our skilled locksmiths bring years of expertise to every job, ensuring efficient and reliable service. Superior security. We prioritize your safety and provide top-notch security solutions for homes, businesses, and vehicles. Competitive pricing. Enjoy affordable rates without compromising on quality, making us the smart choice for locksmith services. Call us today at 240-345-1455 for locksmith needs in Odenton, Maryland, or visit our website at www.kinglocksmiths.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful locksmith informations. If you want more related videos, click here.